Hey, this is expat Chris here in Yucatan, Mexico, and I recently bought a house here, the beach home, right on the Gulf of Mexico, and we're doing a ton of renovations. And so I wanted to let you guys know, if you're interested in seeing what a renovation, or sometimes in America they call it rehabbing, a house is like on the beach, then you're going to want to subscribe and like this video and hit that bell notification so you keep up to date on the latest videos. For instance, today, actually the last few days, we're having a pool made. So we have people digging it out and placing the sand everywhere. You can't really see it. There's another pile back there in our palapa in Mexico over there through all our palm trees. So if you're interested in that type of thing, subscribe, like this video, and hit that bell notification so you don't miss any of the updates. I'm going to be vlogging this, and I'm going to have some live streams for you to ask questions and learn more about this process of hiring tons of people, electrician, plumber, the pool guys. We're also going to do a steam room next to the pool. We've had our house painted. We've had the house deep cleaned, and we've also had the shukun, which is this concrete finish on the outside, which looks like, so you don't have to paint it. This is really a wonderful thing you can do on concrete so that you don't have to paint the outside, because with the sea breeze constantly, you'd have to paint probably every year. So we got away from that, and we only have paint on the inside. So we're going to have lots of tips regarding that and see how well we do or where we make mistakes, if we have to fire anybody or rehire, one so forth. And another guy got busy, so we're going to need to hire another painter to finish the rest of the house. That hasn't happened. We've only had one room painted. It looks awesome. And I'm going to show some photos and video of that. Great paint job. And we're very happy so far with the help that we've gotten. And come along on the journey with us. It's going to be very fun. Thanks.